Hey, thought I'd do another packing video. I'm on just an overnight trip to Chicago, and actually this is the day that we're gonna leave, and we're actually staying at the Drake. Look out there. It's pretty nice. Got the corner room, great view. So basically, we decided to do this trip very last minute because my husband wants to keep his status with United, so we had to do it before the end of the month. So we did it. He asked me to come along, and this is about the most spontaneous I can ever be, is doing something like this within a couple days. So, of course, traveling light, we're only going to be here for a day, but I still cannot do a backpack trip. I know people do that. I still can't do that. I admire them. I'm doing just a backpack, switch over, and I have this. So let me show you what I packed. It can be done. And of course, in a way I overpacked because I probably could have worn this outfit that I wore yesterday. I probably could wear it today too. If I want to be like just, I didn't get sweaty or anything. It's pretty cold here. Then I brought an extra sweatshirt and then the outfit that I'm wearing right now. And I brought extra tights and everything. So that's it. My curling iron. And I'm showing you this because you might be like, who cares? But there might be a lot of you that spend a lot of time kind of obsessing about how you want to pack minimally, but have that mindset of just what if, and I'm that person too. And here's my glasses, because you need glasses and a nightgown. And basically this is what I showed you in my one cruise packing video, when you need this, and I never needed most of this, but I thought just in case I wash my hair, there's some mousse, snacks, and you can stick stuff in there too. And then the only other thing I brought, and those are the snacks that I bought, is, see, this is what I stressed out about. Should I have this or this? And I was originally just going to do this, but I thought if we did a ton of walking, I didn't want to constantly have this hanging from my wrist, so I ended up bringing this, and it's pretty good. And then what's packed in here, and then this other thing I obsessed about, because not knowing the weather in Chicago downtown, if it's going to be super windy and cold, even though I saw the weather and the wind chill and all that. So I did end up bringing my black packable, my black kind of fake down full coat, which I packed in here, which is going to go in here. See? And then I have this, because just in case I only needed like a vest. But I used both. I used this in the airport, and then I used that walking around. So I totally needed both of these. But I guess I could have gotten away with not having this one at all. But it does, these pack up really small, and these aren't even, the ones that say they pack in their own pocket. This is my snack section, and here's where my headset is, my noise reduction. I highly advise getting one of these. I've had the over-the-head noise reduction Bose, and those hurt my ears after a while. And let's see, here I have sunglasses. I always have to have sunglasses in case I need them. And I always have this with me. Anyway, so this is my chargers and stuff, and I still couldn't do without my neck pillow. So that's pretty much what I did, and I would say I could have gotten away with not having this at all. So I didn't need my Disney World hoodie, and probably some of my toiletries, but they're already in there. I did empty half of the stuff out of this. So that's it. I'll post a video and a few pictures of me leaving Richmond, and just in case you want to see like plane flight and some pictures from downtown Chicago. It's great. It's really nice here. We're actually watching videos on YouTube about Chicago, and now we're looking at plane flight patterns because that's what we do. All right, bye. Hey, we're about to leave from Richmond. Our one-day trip to Chicago. We're staying one day and then coming back. biggest plane that can take off from Richmond, because it depends on the size, like the length of the runway. So this is the best we can do. It's pretty big. We're in a 737. Flight time, wheels up, wheels down to Chicago.